times when I'm alone, I think of all we share, the precious moments and the greatest love the world has ever known. And when I finally see you standing there before me, I feel the rush of joy and happiness inside me. I can't believe the time has gone so slowly since I've seen your face. I pray each night before I sleep that in my dreams you'll be with me. And in the morning when I wake to face the day, I pray your love will shine away. And if God decides to take me home, you wake to find yourself alone, I'll always be there to protect you from above, shower you with all my love. The years have been a friend to us, I know, and we've grown as one. But I still feel like the little boy with so much in his heart to show. I kiss your cheek as you're lying there beside me. I feel the rush of joy and happiness inside me. I can't believe the time has gone so quickly. We're in the autumn of our years. I pray each night before I sleep that in my dreams you'll stay with me. And in the morning, if I wake to see the day, I pray your love will shine away. But if God decides to take me home, you wake to find yourself alone, I'll still be there with you, I'll be there by your side. There'll be no need to run and hide. I pray tonight you hold my hand. I pray you always understand. I didn't mean to go, but while we are apart, I pray my love